Let's look at Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2022 Ford Transit, stock number 7086. It's run from the 6th, 2019 and the 8th, 2023. It's a VN 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a VN 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard, left front door and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel with tyre, left hand tail light, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 16-inch steel wheel with tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic air shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.